Of course, everyone must be shocked about, hearing the earlier speaker about, the kind of destruction of property and taking over of Gandhian kind of movement land for Adani. It's a shame. That's all you can say.
Shame, shame.
It's really a shame. And worse still, I think in a matter of time, they are planning to change the constitution to remove secularism and socialism. There is a big plan that is going on. And they want to include some aspects of Manusmriti into the constitution.
Yeah.
That's what I heard.
Quite.
I think we have to strongly object, and we can actually strongly object only if the socialists are together. So this is a big challenge for all socialists, or socialists, one means also the communists, one means also socialists in various parties, as Comrade Sunilam said, the Gandhians, everyone, different people who believe in equality. We have to come together. Human equality is what we are standing for. Whether it is men or women, and whether it is whatever religion, whatever caste. We don't believe in that. We have to say humans are humans. That's all. Can we say that? Do people agree to that?
Yeah.
So shall I just give I am not going into the demands of the workers. The labor demands are too many, because this government, central government, without convening the Indian Labour Conference, which was started by Ambedkar, every year there used to be an Indian Labour Conference to consult with the unions and the employers and the government in order to bring new laws or review new laws, review the old laws. But this central government stopped it from 2014. They have not done it. That is why and they have brought in 4 codes to replace all the labor laws. So we are opposed to it. We are opposing it. All trade unions are opposing it in different ways throughout the country. And we are saying withdraw the codes. Withdraw the codes. That's our main demand. Secondly, as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, I represent Tamil Nadu Unorganized Workers Federation, and as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, even the multiple welfare boards of the unorganized workers will not continue once the codes come into action, because there is no saving clause in the labor code. And they said we are bringing the codes in order to make it universal. All rights universal. No, they have removed all the rights of the workers. Labor rights have been removed. The BD workers, whatever they used to get, has been stopped. Salt workers, the cess was stopped, scrapped, and then everything was stopped. The same way with so many groups of workers. And now we have to wait for the government to say whether. Without the government saying, convening the ILC, they cannot do that. So this is the conflict that we are going through. No ESI for unorganized workers, only organized sector will have. So like that, all discrimination, not universalization. And they've removed the safety clauses from the building workers, earlier law is negative about the present central government with respect to labor, and here that is an area where we are bringing everyone together, unorganized workers of all the various categories. We are bringing them together into a joint action committee in order to plan our action in the next parliament session. So that is one thing. But what is important is, I think, very important is that the socialists have to get together. And we can't take a stand, okay, let you work on environmental issues, you work on labor issues, you work on this, and the Gandhians can fight their battle. We can't take that stand at all. We have to be together, we have to have a, give solidarity, and everything is a struggle today. So we need to also save whatever we have got through night and struggle for justice. That is all I would like to say. Samajwadi Ekta.